The quest for renewable energy resources, such as wind power, has focused attention on North Carolina's coastline, which boasts some of the strongest and steadiest winds in the nation. But the question of just where to anchor offshore wind turbines is forcing researchers to take a new look at the ocean floor. It's a place nobody has thought much about, but that's changing.
It is quite amazing. Every time, at least when I go diving, I have to take a second to adjust to it and realize how beautiful it is out there and that this is just off the coast of North Carolina. They're right in our backyard.
Paxton's part of a new research effort to study the rocky reefs that range from 3 to 40 miles off North Carolina's coast. Researchers are already amazed at the undersea world they have found. The reefs are not made of coral. They are made of solid rock that is part of the continental shelf. The rocky reefs are not continuous. Some are small outcroppings. Others cover large areas. Some are flat. Some tower 30 or more feet above the ocean floor. The reefs are found in water that is 40 to 100 feet deep. Each reef is different, but they are all amazingly diverse islands of life.
One of the main functions of these reefs is as nursery grounds, and oftentimes you have more juvenile fish on the reefs that are closer to shore, and then as those fish mature, they move offshore into deeper waters. And so the reefs function not only as nursery, but also as foraging grounds. They provide great hiding places or refuge for a lot of fish. They're places where the fish spawn or reproduce. And again, they're those connectivity corridors, we call them, stepping stones that help fish move offshore as they get older.
Scientists are still working to understand the fish and other creatures that live on and around specific reefs and why they are drawn to that particular location. But they believe one of the reasons North Carolina's rocky reefs are so productive is because of their unique location. It's a place where warm water currents from the south, which tropical fish prefer, mixes with cold water currents from the north, which cold water fish favor.
These are big sponges, so that's something you'd see on a coral reef, right? But we have them right off of our coast. So you have the sponges, you have soft coral, more soft coral over there. Some of these structures are just enormous. And you even have tropical fish, like that butterfly fish, and that's one of the things that makes this area so special.
The reefs are living worlds on rock, surrounded by shifting sands that are moved about by storms. It all creates a world that is constantly changing. Scientists want to better understand the timescale for those changes and what happens to the fish that the state's recreational and commercial fisheries depend on. The reefs are nurseries for both industries.
And so when we go down on our sites, we always have GoPro cameras with us so that we can look back at schools of fish later and use those to more adequately count them. So we're going down, you see our transect tape? This is the line along which we do our actual fish counts and we figure out how many invertebrates there are. And so this is one of those reefs that has a little bit of relief, lots of sand cover throughout, and you can see soft corals and algae and hydroids and sponges and tons of black sea bass.
So it's a complex, fascinating community of interactions and cascading interactions that's just wonderful in a conceptual sense to understand, but important to understand to conserve our fish stocks and conserve the ecosystem services that they provide. Wonderment for the divers, opportunity for the dive shop owners, opportunity for fishermen, and a resource to both commercial and recreational fishermen.
Besides learning how to better protect the reef systems, scientists want to identify the most important reefs, so offshore wind turbines won't be placed in those locations. It turns out the quest for energy to power life on land has revealed new worlds of life offshore. The promise of wind energy is still quite a ways down the waterways, but when it arrives, it will dramatically change life for seagulls, for coastal communities, and new research is showing life on the outer reefs.
There's a ton that we don't know, And it's really important that we figure out those answers because of its implications for managing these reefs and protecting the fisheries so that they can be sustainable for the long term.